Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and the app that shows delays. Check battery saver and background restriction settings because Android often kills background processes to save power. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick the problem app, then Battery or Background Restrictions. Disable optimization and enable Allow Background Activity. Once done, also enable Auto Start or Permit Startup if your OEM provides it. This prevents the system from blocking the app after reboot, which is a common cause of delayed notifications. Next, manage both system and app-specific notification controls so messages arrive promptly. Open app notifications for the app and set priority to high. This lets the system show notifications immediately. Then, in Network Settings, turn off Data Saver for that app or grant unrestricted data access so background sync can run. Finally, use your phone's Recent Apps or Protected Apps feature to lock or protect the app from being cleared. This keeps its background service alive, which is essential for timely delivery. Finish by restarting the device to apply all changes and then send a test notification to verify prompt delivery. Make sure both the app and Android system are updated, because updates fix background processing bugs. If delays continue, clear the app cache or reinstall the app to reset its background service, and confirm carrier push or Firebase Cloud messaging settings on the app side. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: temporarily enable developer options, background process limit to diagnose whether system process limits are the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.